welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a super quick recipe on how I make my shredded chicken in the slow cooker. Now I'll make about 4 chicken breasts to get me enough for about 6 or 7 different meals. It's all depending on how I flavor it. This one's going to be basic. Some I do flavor with barbecue sauce for barbecue sandwiches. Others I flavor with like tomato sauce and Italian seasonings for Italian types of recipes. This one's going to be very simple because it'll have a multitude of uses. So if you want to learn how I make my shredded chicken in the slow cooker, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. First thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our chicken and we're going to throw it into the slow cooker. And I have about 4 chicken breasts, and these are from Costco. Once we have our chicken breasts in, we're going to go ahead and put in our seasonings. For today's recipe, I'm going to use lemon pepper seasoning, onion powder, chili powder, cayenne pepper, ground cumin, Lori's seasoned salt, and garlic powder with parsley. I'm going to start off with my garlic, and it doesn't really matter how you season it or where, just throw it on top. And a lot of these don't have salt, so I don't really care to measure. The one I really care to measure is the seasoned salt. So here goes the onion powder. I've put the garlic powder already. This is the chili powder because I want it a little spicy. I'm going to make a few meals with this chicken. We have some red pepper, cayenne, and ground cumin. You want to put a little bit because it's potent, so not too much. And lastly, Lori's seasoned salt. Okay. Now, the last thing we want to do is all our seasonings are in there, and you can add whatever you want. You can omit the cayenne, the chili if you don't want it spicy. You can even add tomato sauce if you want to make it for a pasta. This will be made for a chicken salad and also for some chicken sopes that I'll be making, and maybe some taquitos. We'll see if I have enough. So now we're going to add only enough water to barely cover the top, just barely. So that's about right, not too much. Now we have all our seasonings and our chicken. We're just gonna seal it up. Now that we have everything in our slow cooker and it's nice and sealed, I'm going to go ahead and cook it on low for 7 hours. You can do 6, I just want to do 7 because I have plenty of time. Or you can do 4 hours on high and you'll have it ready for that same day. I want to eat this tomorrow, so this won't be my dinner today. And I'll show you guys what it looks like once this is done. Alright guys, and it's been 7 hours since I put my chicken. And let me show you what it looks like. It's super easy to shred. So let's take a little piece. Look at that. It's super tender, super juicy. Literally 0 effort into shredding it. And it cooked while I was sleeping overnight. I put it for 7 hours and it's so juicy. So with this chicken, I'll probably make a chicken salad, maybe some enchiladas, maybe some sopes, some taquitos. There's a variety of meals that I can make with this chicken. Alright guys, and there you have it. You saw how quick and easy it was to make shredded chicken in the slow cooker. Just throw in the chicken, throw in the seasonings. You can cook it on high for 4 hours or on low for 6 to 7 hours. I opted for low because I wasn't going to use it that night or that day. I had plenty of time, and when I woke up in the morning, it's ready for me to make whatever I wish. If you want to use it that day, if you want to make it that day, just make it earlier and set it for 4 hours. And by dinner time, you're ready to make your meals. This is perfect for when you're super busy. I work full time. I don't always want to make different types of meats and meals and whatnot because I'm tired. We're all tired. And this way, all my meals are under 20 minutes since the chicken is already cooked and I don't have to worry about boiling it. I've noticed when I boil it, it's a little bit tougher and it's not as juicy. So I really love my slow cooker. So anyway, I hope you guys give this a try. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.